Guys, Miguel here with a quick video on this nimbot label maker. Type in the name on your cell phone and print it out. Makes it a lot easier to print labels. And then you could just basically keep on printing. And then we're actually going to make 5, which makes printing label a lot easier than this guy right here, which this one actually made it a lot easier to print labels than the Dymo. So this nimbot right now is the best one that we've gotten so far. I'll put an Amazon link up on top, and enjoy making labels.